Hello, welcome to another Tips and Tricks Tuesday with Lynn Allen, and I hope that you're enjoying some great weather this week. I know we're having some great weather here. Today I'm going to talk about viewport scale factors. I want to make sure you understand all about ScaleListEdit, some other cool tools. So taking a look at the screen, I have a viewport. I'm going to unlock that viewport, and that was a nice tool that was put on the status bar in AutoCAD 2008. In AutoCAD 2008, you'll also see that they added the ability to edit the viewport scale factor from the status bar as well. I love that new feature. So taking a look at this list, this is a pretty big list. I'm going to guess that you do not have all of these different scale factors in your drawing. So I strongly encourage you to select the Customize option and decide which one of the scale lists you actually use and get rid of the ones that you're not. For example, maybe you only work in metric and you don't work in imperial at all. Man, just go through here and delete any of these that you know that you're not going to be using. It's no problem if you decide that you want to put them all back later on. There's this great reset button that puts you back to where you started. And incidentally, it won't let you delete. For example, if I come up here, I try to delete the one-to-one. It won't let you delete anything that you're using in your drawing, so you can't hurt the drawing that you're in, which is, of course, a good thing. If there's a scale that isn't even in the list that you need to add, maybe you have a unique scale factor for your project, you can use the Add button and add in any scale that you need, making it accessible to you to very quickly and easily add or adapt to a particular viewport. I'm going to cancel out of this. I want to show you one other option on here. I'm going to go back down here to my scale lists for my viewports. And at the very bottom of the screen there, I'm hoping that you can see an option that says Hide XREF Scales. That particular feature was added into AutoCAD 2009. If you have a lot of XREFs that you bring inside your drawing, this list can get unbearably long. And this allows you to hide those scale factors so that it, in fact, does not take up too much room and they don't get in your way, don't clutter up your lovely scale list. So I want you to all remember the ScaleListEdit command. Even if you're not in 2008 or 2009, you can access that. And I want you to all to get those lists nice and neat and tidy so that you don't waste your time leafing through scales that you're not using. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and thank you once again for joining me.